everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be cleaning out my car, so if this is something you're interested in seeing, just keep watching.
Hi guys, what you doing? Mom's gonna clean her car.
So for cleaning out my car, I'm going to be using this Mrs. Meyer's concentrate. Just putting a little bit of it in this spray bottle and going through and just cleaning all my windows, all the seats and everything. I have leather seats, and cleaning the console and everything like that. So this is what I'm using. So here I'm just showing you before. Here's the windows full of fingerprints and the rest of the car, how messy it is. All right, so let's get started cleaning.
When our eyes touch, so familiar deep inside, like you were already mine. Surreal to me, how you make me feel wild and calm at the same time. Never felt so alive. Thought I was crazy until I reached out and saw your hand there.
So fragile, like it was built to break off the handle. How'd we get to this place? We're leaving everything behind for new and exciting feelings, but I won't leave you. Will everything we know be lost and changed for something new? Only time will tell, but I'll be right now, I'm not worried. Thinking about tomorrow. I'm feeling everything I need from you. It's all I believe in.
Okay, so now I'm just going to take you through the car and show you how I keep it organized. So just starting over here on the driver's seat side, in the door, I just have a notebook and a little duster. And this is just to dust off the console when it gets super dusty here. Next, in my middle console, I just keep this here because we try to do this devotional daily on our way to school in the mornings. Over here, I just have this little Dollar Tree bin that we use to keep trash in. As you saw earlier, it was completely full, plus there was trash in the back of the vehicle. Then we have our sunshade, and then the club, which we rarely use. And then on this side, we just keep a folder here, and in this we will keep coupons and stuff like that for when we eat out at like fast food, just so we have those on hand. So anytime I get those in the mail, I try to just put them in here right away to decrease the clutter. And then on this side over here, we have our CD holder. So just with a bunch of CDs that we listen to every now and again. Those are mostly for when we take trips. I have just a random pair of sunglasses here that I'll probably just put in here. Now in this middle console, this one goes up. I just have a thing of tissues. And then I have these IM cards. Again, we like to do these a lot of times on the way to school. So I have one for kids and then one for, I think, women. So yeah, if you're interested in these, I'll see if I can link it down below where I got these. But these are really encouraging. I love these. And then a little bit more trash in here. I have an earring. I didn't clean this out yet, obviously. Some sugar packets. But I keep nail clippers in here just so I have those on hand if I need to cut a tag off or just trim my cuticles, a hangnail. And then I have the DVD remote because we do have a DVD player in this car. Then this whole thing flips up, and here is where we have our DVD player. On this section here is where we'll usually put like a few extra DVDs when we're going on a trip. We'll just have the kids pick out a couple movies. Of course, a little bit of change, but I also have this gum container where I keep all of our change in. And then I have this other gum container that does have a little bit of gum in it. I have another pair of sunglasses. So actually I need to take one of those out. And then in this little pouch, I just have some hair ties, an essential oil, some Band-Aids, and some lotion. We have our phone charger here that just plugs into the outlet there. Some feminine products in case of an emergency, and just some pens and a marker. So that's everything in the middle console. In the back here, this is where Blake sits. Again, just another notebook in case he gets bored and I need him to just scribble on some paper. I've got that there. I've also got a coloring book. I do not keep crayons in the car because they would totally melt here in Arizona, but a coloring book and a book for him just to look at and read. So as you can see, I do still need to take the car to get washed and vacuumed out, which we will do here shortly. But I do keep an umbrella in the back here, just kind of tucked under the seat. We rarely get rain here in Arizona, but we did just get a huge rain from the hurricane. So now on this side where my oldest son sits, I just keep some wet wipes here, like if they get sticky hands, and then also his little 3-minute devotions for boys. He sometimes prefers to read this on the way to school, so he keeps that there. Then they have a middle console in the back as well. So there are 2 sections here. And in here I just keep extra napkins because a lot of times he has to blow his nose. So those are handy for him to reach. Got my son's little sunglasses, some more wet ones, a first aid kit, some hydrocortisone cream, a couple pencils. Sometimes I'll have them work on their homework after school if I have to run any errands. So we like to keep those in here. And then a couple, or actually just like a roll of trash bags. And it looks like I just need to take these in the house and sharpen them because they're useless right now. Okay, so this whole thing flips up. And then there's a deeper console in here. So again, I just have some extra bags for trash. One of their DVDs. It's not even in here. It's probably in the actual DVD player. A couple containers of like wipes. These are for just cleaning wipes. I think I had some for windows too. Yeah, these are the glass wipes. And then in here are their headphones, so when they do want to watch a movie, they can just put their headphones on. So that's all I have in here for that. And then in the back, it is soccer season right now, so we usually will always have some chairs in the back. We keep our large umbrella for shade. And then I like to keep a towel in here just so we have it. In the summertime, our seats get really hot, so a lot of times I'll use this because I wear shorts and my legs burn and stick to the seat. So I just like to keep that in here. Plus we can use it like for the kids when we go to soccer games and stuff, they can sit on that. Okay, so now that the car is all cleaned out and organized and wiped down, now it's just time to take it to the wash. We just do like a simple $3 car wash, and then they have free vacuums there, so it makes it really easy and expensive, and I try to do that about once a month. So let's go.
I know you feel it too. Will everything we know be lost and changed for something new? Only time will tell, but I'll be holding you. I'll be holding you.
This video. Hopefully you found it helpful. Maybe it gave you some inspiration or motivation to go clean out your car or gave you some ideas. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and check out the other content on my channel. And if you enjoy what you see, subscribe for more videos like this. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Subscribe. Bye.